How to create a subdomain from your domain. So you simply log into your cPanel. After logging into your cPanel, you scroll down. You're going to be somewhere here. So you scroll down to where you see domain. So this is domain. You click on it, and okay, it's loading. So once it opens, you can see this create a new domain. When you click on this create a new domain, you can be able to you can type what you want. So let's say what I want to type is skin. Let's say maybe skincare. You know, I can type what I want. So you remember the root domain. That's the main domain you already have, has to be the one here. Then you attach whatever sub you want to attach to it. So this is what I mean. And I come here, share the select this submit and submit. So once you select this submit, it's going to create a new subdomain for you. So it's loading. So as you can see, it has been created for us. So you can now go ahead. Let's say you're practicing for your website. You can now go ahead, install WordPress here, and you start building whatever you want to build in your subdomain.